Hello guys! So today I wanted to share something with you. It's really super cool just because I'm quarantining, so you know, we can't leave the room at all. And so I came upon this portable washing machine that is so good to use, and I just find it, you know, it's like a cheaper way of washing clothes, and it's much faster, and it does a really good job. So I wanted to just let you know about it because it's the first time I've ever seen something so portable and so cool. So here you go. This side, you put your clothes in there. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna put my clothes in there. Yeah. Jared, you wanna help me? Okay. Five goody sound. Yes, very good, thank you. Very good job, yeah, okay. One more. Okay. And then you have to sprinkle some of your laundry detergent in there. Okay. Okay, so after you add water in here and fill it up.
Wash it.
Water, Water, Seriously, this is such a cool thing. I even want to get one at home, you know? Just like a quickie. But of course, it's only little, like clothes a little bit at a time. I think it's really good for kids, you know? It's nice and small, they can handle it, they'll know how to wash clothes too.
Mama, you did it, Papa.
Yep, we're almost done. Okay, just keep filling it up. Okay, maybe get this part wet and just push down. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, stop. Close the lid. Put down standard timer. Just do it for 9 minutes, and it's gonna start. Start to washing. Wash. This is such a great activity with kids. While we're waiting for the clothes to be clean, my hairstylist is helping me style my hair just to make sure this video is gonna look good, right? Inte med tausia där. Kêu là xíu. Thầy à. Lấy một tay lại cái sợi lá so cái thầu. Không mà sợi lịch xíu đó, Batman. Lấy mà sợi lịch xíu Batman. Ở bên à? Ở trong tay con so. Okay.
Not done yet.
Okay, tao mẹ à?
Yeah.
Okay, 幾靚喎。多謝。多謝Batman。多謝。Bye bye.
Bye.
So after this, what you do is you do drain. And you have to put the tube right there. It's attached to here. So you drain the water out. We're gonna repeat the process again. So we're gonna go back to standard. Okay, can you open that, Jared? Open. We're gonna add water once more. So we're just gonna do 2 rounds so that the detergent will really wash out.
Wash out. Go out.
Yeah. Drain out. Yeah.
Drain out and go out.
Yeah. Yeah. Turn the water off. Okay, hold that, Jared. Hold it. Turn that. And we're gonna set another 9 minutes. Alrighties? Let's wait. So now it's done again. So I'm gonna change it to drain. So drain. Now, second time it's drained, we're gonna spin it, and then it'll be the last step. So we open this and we take this out. All right. Can you hold this, Jared? Can you hold this? And then we'll put these wet clothes in here and do a spin. Put this in here, close it, and we will do a spin. We can spin to 2. It's gonna start spinning. Okay. So it's done spinning. It's done. Now you just have to hang up your clothes. And it's very good. Look, it's not even dripping water anymore. You can hang up your clothes and you're done. So yes, that's the little tutorial of using a portable washing machine. Super cool. It's awesome. I totally recommend it. Especially for people that don't wash that many clothes or have that many clothes to wash. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope to share more things in life that I come across with you guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Take care.